まいこれ読んで。
幸せの始まりを探しに。幸せはどこにあるんだろう。どこで生まれ私たちに届くんだろう。さあそれを見に行こう。青い鳥に連れられて。
How will the Sumitomo Heavy Industries Group deal with the social issues that we face? We will restructure our business portfolio to try and solve social issues and aim to realize corporate and social value through the promotion of sustainability. The optimization of movement requires reliable technologies. What's required to drive everything from automatic doors to conveyors, cranes, and industrial robots is the gear reducer. The history of our cyclo drives goes back 80 years, and we have a network of over 200 sales offices in more than 50 countries and regions, boasting a high share of the market. Our group has also been joined by Laferte SPA, an industrial motor manufacturer of Italy, and Invertech Drives Limited, an inverter manufacturer of the UK, integrating technologies for motors, inverters, and gear reducers in our global system. These technologies will hopefully be used in collaborative robots, power-assisted suits, service robots, and so on in the future. We are also developing drive technologies for automatic guided vehicles and autonomous mobile robots, including ultralight reducers and ultra-small gear reducers. We will optimize our drive solutions to contribute to solving the issues of society and our customers. From ultra-precision components to large products and products for medicine, semiconductors and other essential businesses, as well as technologies for space development. Useful products cannot be produced without the equipment and technologies to develop them. Automotive parts, electronic components, medical equipment, plastic bottles, and so on are all plastic products that are indispensable to everyday life. Our injection molding machines are used extensively in these products. We handle precise high-cycle molding, as well as speedy molding of complex shapes for everything from precision molding of connectors to thin-walled molding required for food containers. Our outstanding molding technologies are used throughout society. The high-tech sector relies on our ultra-low temperature and ultra-high vacuum technologies. Our cryo-coolers can be cooled to almost absolute zero at -273 degrees Celsius, for which they are used for MRI examinations in the medical sector. They are also used in cryopumps to create ultra-high vacuum environments in the manufacturing of semiconductors. Indispensable in the manufacturing of semiconductors installed in smartphones, autonomous driving equipment, and other electronic devices for everyday use, in the cutting-edge precision equipment sector, are our ion implanters. They require particularly advanced technologies in the process of manufacturing semiconductors and boast a top-class share of the domestic market. Our ion implanters, including the ultra-high precision Scion, extensively in a variety of fields to develop and manufacture high-precision, high-quality products. In the field of cutting-edge medicine, we manufacture advanced equipment for diagnosing and treating cancer. In the diagnosis of cancer, our PET tracer production systems used at domestic and overseas research facilities and hospitals, as well as our BNCT systems, have won approval for manufacturing and sales as medical equipment for the first time in the world. In the industrial machinery sector, we have developed STAFF, a manufacturing system for dramatically reducing the weight of automobile bodies and frames, as well as forging presses that improve the forging work environment. We have an extensive lineup of products and cutting-edge technologies that have been used to produce each and every one of them. A trip back in time to the Sumitomo Heavy Industries Group's roots. Our company has its roots in the Beshi copper mine of Niihama City in Ehime Prefecture. The copper vein was discovered back in the days of Tomoyoshi, a fourth-generation member of the Sumitomo family, and the mine was opened in 1691. The company was launched in 1888 as a machinery production and repair shop for the Beshi copper mine. It then became Sumitomo Machinery, eventually becoming Sumitomo Heavy Industries. The company continued its relentless technological innovation, growing into a comprehensive heavy machinery manufacturer, providing the world with top-quality products and services. So, let's return to the present. Cutting-edge logistics for supporting urban development. Our job is also to provide technologies for realizing advances in infrastructure. Constructing towns and roads. In construction machinery too, we have realized both high mobility and environmental functions, for which we have won high appraisal throughout the world. Our hydraulic excavators boast excellent fuel efficiency, and we also design and manufacture specialized equipment, including asphalt pavers, forestry machinery, and recycling machines to meet a variety of needs. We also opened a subsidiary providing services covering an area of 100,000 meters squared in Lexington, Kentucky of the United States. We are bolstering our collaboration with link belt cranes and other companies to hone our competitiveness through improved functions. In our crawler crane business, we have achieved high maneuverability and safety, and our assembly and disassembly technologies at the forefront of the industry have won great trust for their excellence. In the material handling systems sector, we provide industrial cranes and unloaders used in the manufacturing, electricity, energy, and port sectors. We have planned, developed, and provided aftercare services for a variety of material handling systems for over 100 years. In the logistics sector, we deliver AGV systems, automatic warehouses, and other automated equipment to factories and logistics centers. Faced with a shortage of labor, we offer high-density storage and automation. There are technologies required to realize decarbonization and a recycling society. Our CFB boilers rely on technologies for efficient and stable incineration of a variety of fuels, from biomass to recycled materials, contributing to the stable supplying of renewable energy and effective use of resources, while also realizing environmental friendliness. We manufacture small to medium-sized steam turbines, which efficiently convert heat energy and steam into mechanical energy. They have won high appraisal as steam turbines that meet the needs of the renewable energy sector. In the water treatment sector, we have businesses aimed at private companies as well as public facilities, such as water purification and wastewater treatment plants. We also make evaluations for the environmental sector, providing total solutions in water treatment. We have continued evolving our technologies in the shipbuilding business. We currently manufacture mainly high-quality, medium-sized tankers. We have also streamlined our designing and manufacturing sites. We have expanded our activities throughout not only Japan but also Asia, North America, Europe, and South America, engaging in manufacturing that has won trust throughout the world. We were quick to establish a global network and have continued our expansion throughout the world. With the aim of realizing a sustainable society and solving social issues, we have been striving in R&D for our products and services. Protecting the global environment. At Tamashi Works in Nishi, Tokyo City, Musashino Forest covering around 30% of the premises has been preserved, and a part of it has been opened to the public. We can make the future better. We will make steady progress in our challenge to solve social issues. Our relentless efforts in R&D, our technologies, and the products we create in collaboration with our partners will allow us to live in prosperity. Honed technologies will bring happiness to society.
嬉しいことに、幸せは見えないところにありました。おしまい。面白かったね。ね、見て。
Cross Partnerships for Society. We are the Sumitomo Heavy Industries Group.